Hey traders, welcome to Trade This Market video update on GameStop. We're gonna take a look at the monthly, weekly, and a daily chart of GameStop, and let's decipher, see what's going on, what it's likely to do. So one of the first things that's jumping out at us is the first thing. This is the monthly chart, this is a weekly chart, and this is a daily chart, and I also have a 4-hour chart as a reference. So one of the first things that's jumping out for GameStop is for in over almost 3 years now, for the first time, GameStop is actually making this headway to the upside right here. And it's been beaten down, beaten down, beaten down. It finally came to 200 period moving average, and then now it's bouncing to the upside. So the first sign actually came in here May 29th, 2024, and then it ran up from $13 all the way to $64, and then it came back down. Now, this is a very volatile stock, of course, and everybody in the brother is shorting it. So that's why you see this moves, up and down. But as long as the structure remains the same, monthly structure is bullish, weekly structure is bullish. Notice we're above the, at least on a weekly chart, we're above the 250 period moving average. Same thing on a daily chart. And then we're trying to now work our way around this to at least a 50 and a 200 period moving average on a monthly chart. And so if we start to close above this, the first thing that we have to do is start to close above this white signal line on a daily chart. And then we have to capture this pink dotted power line as well. And as long as we are able to do that, then there is an upside potential. First, of course, is that the new $64 high. And then above that is, well, actually, then there is $84 and then 86 and then 120. So those are the levels that we are dealing with in GameStop. As you can see, I mean, back in 2021, they ran this up because it was a meme stock and a lot of people were buying this, of course. And so it ran up quite significantly to the upside. Can something like that happen? Absolutely. We are, as long as like I said, the structure remains the same on a monthly and a weekly chart. This could fluctuate. This could kind of go back and forth. But the main item is the weekly and a monthly sentiment that has to remain the same. And then as soon as we start to capture this power in a signal line, we could see at least one more attempt at 64, $65. And beyond that is about the final target would be about 120 price tag on GameStop. So we are going to keep an eye on it, and I will start to make the weekly videos on this thing, weekly updates, and then I will let you guys know. So hope this helps. Stay safe, and I will see you at the next update. Take care.